Windows is the most common operating system found in computers today, and its latest version, Windows 10, is full of useful shortcuts. In these videos, I'm going to be showing you all the useful shortcuts that use the Windows key. When pressed on its own, the Windows key opens the Start menu, which has featured in Windows since Windows 95. From here, we can access our computer's profiles, documents, pictures, settings, and power options. We can also view our files, applications, and folders in alphabetical order in the middle, and our productivity tab where we can pin our own apps on the right hand side. From here, we can also search our computer for files and folders and open them from this menu. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.